This is Caroline, always reminding you that you are created beautifully. Today I am here to show you how I make my organic balloon pillars. And if you're at all interested in how I create this, please continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and turn on your notifications. Until next time, God bless you. Bye.
For a project this size, you really do want to purchase an electric balloon pump. I got this one here from Amazon. Number one cool thing is the price, $19.99. It comes with different attachments for different balloon sizes, and it does come with an electric cord. Next, you want to purchase balloons, all different shades, all different sizes, textures. And if you're going for this organic look, you want to make sure that you get different sizes. 24, 9, and I think this was a 12-inch. Next, you will need balloon column stands. And these my husband made for me. If you'd like a DIY of this, please comment below and let me know. Simple hardware. Now, this is me starting off with using the balloon pump. Now, the cool thing about doing it like the organic style of it is you really don't have to have the exact sizes. Now, the other pillars that I'm used to making, you do need to have a cutout so that you ensure that the balloons are the exact same size. But with this style, you can get any different sizes. You just want to make sure that you're matching up two different sizes balloons. As you can see, I'm tying here. After I started doing them single-handedly and tying them, I realized you could tie them both together and eliminate some time. The dominant color in this party is white, so you'll see that I will have some double whites, but they are different sizes. And then these are the accent colors. I think it came out really beautiful. Just make sure to pull on the two balloons so that it's very tight, so air is not seeping out. I'm gonna just keep doing this so you guys can see how I'm tying it together. Hopefully you can see through this picture. It's pretty easy. Just make sure that it's super tight. As you can see, I'm pulling there. Again, making sure that when you're attaching the two balloons, they are different sizes. So you want to have a large or a medium attached to a medium or a small, as long as they're not the same size. Now, this air pump does have the capability of blowing up two balloons at the same time, but you'll need to be able to grip both of them. Look how pretty this balloon is with the confetti inside. Isn't that so pretty? I really like the scheme of this party, and I will attach at the end some pictures of what the final decorations all look like, but this video in specifically is about the pillars. So you'll see you're going to need two of them to attach together. Here's a picture of all the balloons on the ground, different sizes, different textures. And the ones that I blew up originally, I was blowing them up one by one, and then I realized you can attach them together. So I'm just going back through and just grabbing them and tying them together. So they need to be in pairs of two. And again, make sure that the balloon sizes are different. Pictured here is a double balloon. I should have taped that part of it. It was pretty cool. You can blow up a certain balloon on the inside and then one on the outside. Works better with clear balloons, but having different textures, like this one is a textured balloon, I think really brought the pillars to life. Alrighty, I think you guys get the point. Next, you're gonna grab two pairs, and then you're just gonna twist that around the copper pipe. Make sure to secure it towards the bottom, and we are going to repeat this step. So we are not paying any attention on like if they're big balloons or they're little balloons. We're just stacking them. And you just want a good mix. And what I'm doing is I'm just twisting the top one over the next balloon next to it, and I'm pushing it down. I hope you could see there in the video. Always making sure to push the balloons down on the copper pipe. I think it's important to notate that whatever pipe that you're using for the stand or the column, it needs to be smooth because you are going to go back in and push down these balloons. Now, once you get to the top, what I like to do is to grab an unblown balloon just to put it right over that pipe. That way the sharp edges are covered up so we can continue to build. Now you'll see the pictures at the end. We are attaching something at the top, so that's why I'm not paying any attention. Oftentimes you'll use larger balloons at the top or some plants. You'll see at the end. But these are the finished columns. I absolutely loved how they turned out. And I hope this video is helpful to you. Now we also did the arches that are at the top, you'll see here, and it's basically the same exact step, except that you're using the fishing line. Is that what it's called? These are the table settings. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.